Wonderful good day, ladies and gentlemen, to the company update of First Tin on Commodity TV. The company just confirmed a tin discovery on their Taronga project area in Australia called Tin Beetle. This shows the so-called hub and spoke potential of Taronga, as it is now not an isolated deposit but probably a whole tin area. The first drill hole on the Tin Beetle property returned 7 meters at 0.63% tin within a wider interval of 48 meters at 0.183% tin from only 2 meters depth. Tin Beetle is located 9 kilometers from First Tin's Taronga tin deposit, which has the 5th largest tin reserves in the world, according to the ITA ranking, at 23.2 million tons of ore with a tin grade at 0.16%. Tin Beetle, like Taronga, appears to benefit from highly favorable oxide cassiterite metallurgy that starts at surface and therefore could potentially be mined by open pit. We look forward to further results from the drill program, with the deposit being one of 6 regional targets within trucking distance of Taronga. The project is owned by First Tin's Australian 100% owned subsidiary. Initial assay results confirmed broad intercepts of tin mineralization and narrower zones of high-grade mineralization. Significant intercepts showed in addition 5 meters of 0.183% tin from 64 meters, 3 meters at 0.12% tin from 102 meters. A high-grade intercept within the main section contained 7 meters of 0.629% tin. Lower copper and silver grades are seen, but higher zinc grades than in the Taronga mineralization. The second hole, aligned 180 degrees to the first hole, has shown good logged sampled cassiterite tin oxide. Assay results are pending. The Tin Beetle property is located approximately 8 to 9 kilometers southeast of the Taronga mineralization and offers great potential for road transport to a central mill facility at Taronga after being processed on site by crushing and shaking. If successful, this concept could increase annual tin production and extend the overall mine life, which would be very positive for the First Tin stock. Drilling is targeting a broad area with 3 kilometers by 600 meters of mineralization where alluvial and illuvial tin was mined in the 19th and 20th century. It is defined by large pits that removed alluvial material and then transitioned into weathered, clayey, felsic volcanics with planar grazing veins hosting cassiterite mineralization. Based on the outline of the workings, tin geochemistry mapped areas of veins and limited previous drilling, 4 east to northeast trending zones of planar veins are interpreted. This is the first TMPL drilling in the area, confirming and extending at depth the mineralization identified by previous explorers in the late 1970s and early 1980s. The mineralized intersect is broader and higher grade than the intersected by previous explorers, and the company anticipates that this will result in significant additional mineralization in this large area. Taronga is picking up steam, and so is the tin market. There are still mine closures pending in the war state in Myanmar, and likewise the Indonesian export ban is not yet off the table. First Tin is trading significantly too low, and at 10 euro cents is a cheap entry. We see a first price target at 30 to 40 euro cents. Please note the disclaimer, superimposed now. The share that discussed stock is part of the SRC Mining Special Situations Certificate, and I'm a shareholder in the company. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.